I'm Marion, the Hoongry Barbarian. Today I'm making a fan favorite, my spicy apple chicken wings. I already have all my ingredients mixed in a bowl. Now I do let the chicken wings sit in apple juice for just a few moments just to get that apple flavor. Now I am cooking out of my cooking book, so let me go ahead and give you the ingredients that I have here in the bowl. I have brown sugar, just a pinch of apple spice. I have garlic salt, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, oregano, pink sea salt, cayenne pepper, and also crushed red pepper. So we have all that in the bowl. As you can see, we'll go ahead and get that all mixed up together. The brown sugar sometimes will clump up, so you definitely want to make sure each piece is separated and ground freshly so it'll coat evenly over the chicken wings. I am using my air fryer, which is definitely a healthier option than frying chicken wings. So we'll go ahead and finish this up, making sure that we have all the seasoning mixed together as one big happy family. Okay, so like I said, the chicken was sitting in some apple juice just for a few moments just to get some of that flavor. I like to hand bread, or hand batter I should say, each chicken wing to give it that tender love and care for each piece. That way the seasoning spreads evenly over each piece of chicken. After we got that, you see a nice little even coat. Go ahead and put it in the basket for the air fryer. Now the air fryer that I have can't really keep a lot of chicken in there at each time, so we'll do a few pieces here. Go ahead and get that all cooked up, and then we'll be ready. And as you season the chicken, it's okay to rub it into the chicken a little bit. As you can see, it's thoroughly seasoned over each piece. All right, I think we're down to the last one for now. We'll go ahead and get that all seasoned up. It's gonna be a really nice taste to it. Okay, so we have that ready. We'll go ahead and put that in the air fryer. We have that set. We'll go ahead and let that get going, and then we'll be right back. Okay, the wings are ready. Some nice glaze on them.
Detected at the front door.
Sounds like we have some company ready for some wings. Feel free to subscribe and check me out next week on the next meal I prepare. Again, I'm Marion with the Hoongry Barbarian Cooking Show. Have a great day.